That brings us to the end of our coverage of the lists.v chapter in Software Foundations. Now would be a good point if you were wanting to dive into the material to go back and do the exercises. Remember, we have the repo here with the source code available for all of the things we just talked about, and in fact goes deeper into all of it. That's also available, remember, as HTML, so you can read it in a pleasant way in your browser like this, and then go dive into the exercises in Calc if you wish with this source code. I want to point out that there are some really interesting exercises in this chapter, and also an important section on how to search for existing theorems in Calc. This is going to become increasingly important as we move along because we'll have an entire body of theorems that we've proved, and eventually it gets hard to remember what their names are or what exactly they stated. So learn that search feature and it will make you much more productive as a Calc programmer. Also, dive into these list exercises. There's a lot of great ones here in this chapter. They will really help you master the mechanics of doing induction in Calc in a way that just watching videos maybe won't necessarily make you a master of it. On the other hand, if your goal here is just to learn some conversational Calc, that's great too. In which case, feel free to skip ahead to the next chapter of the textbook, which is Poly, and we'll cover that in the next set of videos.